Welcome to Police and Community Relations. My name is Lisa Bruno, and I will be your instructor for this course. I was born and raised in Boston, Massachusetts. I've since lived all over Costa Rica, Italy, San Diego, Florida, and now Texas. I received my BS in Administration of Justice from Salve Regina University. I received my MA from Anna Maria College in Criminal Justice, and I received my JD from the Massachusetts School of Law. In addition, I've attended a language school in Costa Rica, and I became fluent and proficient in Spanish. I have over 15 years of professional experience in criminal justice. I started my career in the criminal justice field working as a caseworker in the Massachusetts correction system. I worked full-time while pursuing my master's degree and my Juris Doctor as a probation officer supervising adult criminal offenders. I became a licensed attorney concentrating in criminal law and immigration law. I have been teaching for approximately 10 years. I have experience teaching both in the online classroom as well as in a traditional classroom. I've taught numerous criminal justice and legal classes, both at the undergraduate and graduate level. Teaching's become my passion. On a personal note, I love traveling, sports, and the beach. I have a daughter, which keeps me very busy. This course will look at the historical development of law enforcement, organization, administration, and systems of local, state, and federal policing with an emphasis on theories as they relate to practices. I look forward to working with you all. See you in the course discussions. As always, please contact me with any questions or concerns. Thank you. See you in class.